A letter from the DVLA. The heading reads, Vehicle Tax Reminder. It confirms the road tax for the vehicle has expired. Payment must be made to keep the vehicle taxed. If it isn't, enforcement action can follow. No payment is made. The reminder explains the renewal date. It lists the vehicle registration. It shows the amount due. The letter includes payment options: online renewal, phone payment, post office payment. The deadline is already close. The vehicle must be taxed immediately. Nothing is done. The vehicle remains untaxed. The DVLA system records the vehicle as not taxed for use on the road. A second notice is issued, an untaxed vehicle warning letter. It explains the vehicle has been detected as untaxed. It states the DVLA may take enforcement action. The letter warns the vehicle can be clamped or removed. A short window is given to tax the vehicle or declare it off the road. No tax is purchased, no off-road declaration is made. The warning period ends. The vehicle remains listed as untaxed. Case moves forward. The DVLA authorizes enforcement. A private enforcement contractor receives the case. Their system lists the vehicle registration, location records, and enforcement permission. Officers patrol areas checking vehicle registrations. Cameras read number plates. Untaxed vehicles are flagged. One day the vehicle is located parked on a street. The registration matches the enforcement record. The vehicle is confirmed as untaxed. An enforcement officer approaches. A metal wheel clamp is fitted to the front wheel. A bright warning notice is attached to the window. It explains the vehicle has been clamped for being untaxed. It lists a release fee and the unpaid vehicle tax. Payment instructions are printed clearly. The notice explains the vehicle cannot be moved. Driving it while clamped is an offense. Payment must be made to release it. This is the point where the process changes. The case is no longer just a reminder letter. It is now physical enforcement against the vehicle. The clamp remains in place. Release fees apply. If payment is not made within the stated time, the vehicle may be removed. A removal truck can collect it. Storage fees can be added. Only then does contact begin. A call is made to the DVLA helpline. The question is direct. Why has the vehicle been clamped? The record is checked. A vehicle tax reminder was sent. The renewal date passed. No payment was made. A warning letter was issued. The vehicle remained untaxed. Enforcement was authorized. The enforcement officer located the vehicle. The clamp was applied. The driver explains the reminder letter arrived, but it was placed with other mail. It looked like another routine notice. The plan was to renew the tax later. By the time the vehicle was located, the enforcement process had already started. Removing the clamp now requires payment. The outstanding tax must be paid. The release fee must also be paid. Only then can the clamp be removed. Until that happens, the vehicle cannot legally be used. If payment is delayed further, the vehicle can be removed and stored. Additional charges can be added each day. None of this started on the street. None of it started with the clamp. It started with a letter, a DVLA vehicle tax reminder, a renewal date that passed, and a letter that stayed unopened.